I just finished the police escort story, and I'm gonna record another one on the way home. I kind of wish I would have went with the R3 guy, but I had to wrap that video up. It's been a while since I've rode with anybody else. And there's the rain. Yeah, I thought I saw a raindrop in between recordings, and now I just felt one on my arm. So I guess I'll head home. I knew it was supposed to rain later. I really hope it doesn't just like open up and really start raining on me. That would suck. I've got like a 20-minute ride back home. 20, 25. I checked before I left, specifically for this reason. I didn't want to get caught in it. And it said not till 10 p.m. So I thought, okay, I should be good because it's only like 6:30. Apparently not. I gotta remind myself that this bike doesn't have a quick shifter. Now that I've rode the ZX10 that has one, I want to use it on both bikes, but unfortunately this bike doesn't have one. They are very nice. We're gonna have an accident right in front of us, apparently. Are you gonna move over or not? Usual suspect. That is a young girl in a very old car. I did not expect that. Thought it was gonna be a really old person. What even is it? Can't step on it. There's a car in front of you, you goofball. You trying to race? Is that what that was? Does she want to? She's not looking at me. My mirror is coming in. I'm going too fast. That thing's kind of fast. It said Fairlane on the side. I don't know if that's like the model. I've never seen one of those. I'm not good with old cars, just newer ones. It seems like she has it pretty souped up though. I can downshift that fast now that I fixed that. Is it a Ford Fairlane? Is that what the car is? I'm guessing. She's ballsy. She keeps stepping on it even when there's people right in front of her. Yeah, my gas light's on. I talked to people in Arizona, like through DMs and stuff on Instagram about riding season. There's a guy cleaning his C8, and they said that like there's, I think they said like 3 months of the year where they can't ride just because it's too hot. And I used to think like I don't know if that's really a thing, because like you got the wind cooling you down and stuff. It's not bad, especially if you don't wear gear like me. Like if you're stupid, it's really not that bad when you have the wind and stuff. But it's been in the 90s here the past like 3 or 4 days, and I kind of see it now, because last time I went riding, when I got home, I was almost like dripping sweat in my helmet. So for it to be like 105, 110 there, however hot it gets, yeah, I could definitely see how it could be too hot to go riding, even though you're moving and have that wind and stuff. Especially if you do wear gear, like if you're smart and cover yourself up, which you should do, then yeah, it would definitely be too hot, which really sucks. I mean, we have all those months where we can't ride because of the snow and stuff. He's on his phone because it's too cold, but I'd rather it be too cold to ride than too hot. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. The gas light suddenly went off without me getting it. That's not supposed to happen. I understand it's probably the angle that the bike was sitting at the time, but I still think it's interesting. And it's back on. No! I don't want to get all wet. Whoever put on the weather app that it's not going to rain until 10, I do not like you. I trusted you. Look at what you've done to me. I'm going to end the video here though, because I have to get my wallet and stuff out. I want you to see what's in there. So, and I'm almost home anyways, so I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching. If the girl in the Fairlane, whatever it's called, sees this, race me again. Let's run it. Please leave a like and sub if you'd like to, and see you in the next one. Later.